Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making mixed sabzi. Subscribe my channel. Let's start making. Ghee, onion, ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. Tomato, water, red chili, black pepper, turmeric, salt, coriander powder, carrots, potato, bean, cabbage, fenugreek. Now mix it well. Add half glass of water and cook in low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, mixed sabzi is ready. Now serve and enjoy. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.